How to use Leonardo AI canvas. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So for this, just simply log into your account of Leonardo AI, and after that select the option of canvas editor, and over here you will be able to find the option of upload. Just upload any image, or you can also drag and drop the images over here. So on the left hand side you will be able to find different options. On the pen you can just simply move it around, and if you want to change the selection, then just simply click on this option or select and move it around in order to change it up. So this is how you move it around the selection. And in case if you want to make changes, select the option of draw mask and just draw it over any item where you want to make the changes. Suppose I want to make changes over here, and I will just select this place and then type the prompt, and after that just simply click on this option of generate, and it might take a little while. After a while it will give you some results. Now it has given us 4 different options. We can just simply move it around and check these options. If you don't like it, just simply click on this option of cancel, and if you like it, just simply accept it. So this way you would be able to make the changes, and in case if you want to remove it, just simply select it and click on delete. This way you would be able to delete it. Now suppose we want to change the eye color. Let's make it even smaller and type the prompt and click on generate. And in case if you want to avoid some deformities, then just simply select the filter option and type the negative prompt. After that click on generate, and it has made some changes. We can just move it around and check it up. So you can select any of the option that you like and accept it, and this is how you do it. Now let's cancel it for now and delete them. Now let's see how we can remove something. For that, just simply click on this option of erase, and let's increase the brush size, and suppose I want to remove this, then type the prompt over here. So we get just 4 options. We can play them around and check whether we like it or not. The changes seems quite small, so it would take up more credits for you. And if you can upgrade, then you can play around with in paint and out paint, which is basically the most important part of this particular AI canvas. So this is how you would be able to use AI canvas, and I hope this video was helpful. And you can also add text using this option of text. Just select the font of your text, and you can also change the color of the text and the size of text. So this is how you use the canvas of Leonardo AI. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.